When Mum made her satay beef noodle soup for the first time, it blew me away. Today I'll be showing you a recipe that'll make you fall in love with noodle soups all over again. Mama ye sik fan, Mummy daddy sik fan, ba mẹ ăn cơm. Hi, I'm Jeanette, and here at Walking I share my childhood recipes so you can reconnect with yours. Today's recipe features beef, creamy peanut satay with fresh cucumber and tomato, a combo I had never tasted before Mum cooked it. To start, make 5 litres of chicken and pork stock. You can learn how my mum makes it in the description box below. Bring the stock to a boil and pour in 1 jar of Jimmy's satay sauce, 1 jar of barbecue satay sauce, 1 litre of coconut cream, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 20 grams of rock sugar, and half a cup of sesame oil. For the sauces, we get Jimmy's satay sauce from the Asian supermarket. When getting a barbecue satay sauce, go for a sweet peanut version. A full list of these ingredients can be found at walkingkin.com, where we share step-by-step instructions so you can cook this recipe at your own pace. Let the soup simmer on a low-medium heat for 20 minutes with the lid partially on. Meanwhile, cut the cucumber into thin strips and slice the tomatoes. Just thinking about Mum's satay beef noodle soup gets me so excited. It's one of those recipes that we keep coming back to over and over again. Bring a pot of water to a boil to cook your noodles. This time we used fresh bun pho rice noodles. To serve, put the cooked noodles in a bowl. Bring the pot to a boil and cook thin beef slices in the hot soup. Dad bought rump steak pre-sliced by the butcher for this recipe. Lay the cooked beef on top of the noodles and pour in the satay soup. Garnish with bean sprouts, tomato, cucumber and Thai basil. And there you have it, Mum's satay beef noodle soup, a dish my family keeps coming back to. For a satisfying experience, here are our tips for the best results. Number 1. Stir the pot space every 10 minutes. The thick consistency can help it burn. Number 2. Use good quality sauces. Since this recipe uses store-bought sauces, the richer the ingredients, the more flavourful the dish will be. Number 3. Simmer for longer. This will thicken and deepen the taste of the soup. Just 1 slurp and I'm transported to a place that's far from home, yet so familiar at the same time. It's a place and feeling that I always want to return to. If you enjoyed learning this recipe, like and subscribe to our channel. For more noodle soups you'll love eating at home, I've created a playlist of our family's favourites just for you. See you in the next video.